Success is fueled by discipline and consistency. Discipline and consistency shape habits and determine our life's trajectory. Discipline is self-mastery, guiding us through life's challenges. Resisting distractions strengthens our commitment to our goals. True success requires patience and the ability to delay gratification. Consistency transforms effort into ingrained habits. Consistent small actions lead to exponential results. Consistency builds momentum, creating an upward spiral of achievement. Discipline and consistency harness neuroplasticity for success. Repetition transforms actions into automatic habits. Dopamine drives motivation, reinforcing disciplined behavior. Overcoming procrastination, the role of the prefrontal cortex. Procrastination is rooted in the complex interplay between different regions of our brains. At the heart of procrastination lies a battle between the prefrontal cortex and the limbic system. The prefrontal cortex handles planning, decision-making, and impulse control. The limbic system drives our emotional responses and seeks immediate gratification. Strengthening the prefrontal cortex helps us overcome procrastination and stay focused on long-term goals. The ripple effect of small actions. In the realm of achievement, there's a subtle yet profound force at play, the compound effect. It's the principle that seemingly insignificant actions, repeated consistently over time, can create extraordinary results. Like a pebble tossed into a still pond, our actions create ripples that extend far beyond their initial point of impact. Imagine a bamboo tree, its growth seemingly imperceptible at first. For years, it remains hidden beneath the surface, its roots spreading and strengthening. Then suddenly it shoots skyward with astonishing speed, its height a testament to the years of unseen growth. This is the power of the compound effect, small, consistent actions accumulating over time to create remarkable outcomes. The compound effect applies to every aspect of our lives, from our finances to our relationships to our personal growth. Each positive action, each healthy habit we cultivate, each skill we practice creates a ripple effect that influences our trajectory. Conversely, each negative action, each unhealthy habit, each missed opportunity compounds as well, leading us further away from our desired destination. The key to harnessing the compound effect lies in understanding that success is not a grand event, but a series of small, strategic choices made consistently over time. It's about focusing on the process, not just the outcome, and trusting that even the smallest actions, when repeated with discipline, can lead to extraordinary results. Time is a neutral force, flowing steadily forward, indifferent to our actions or intentions. However, when combined with consistent effort, time becomes a powerful multiplier, amplifying the impact of our choices. It's the secret ingredient that transforms small daily actions into remarkable achievements. Imagine two investors, both starting with the same amount of money. The first investor makes sporadic investments driven by market trends and short-term gains. The second investor, however, commits to a consistent investment strategy, contributing a fixed amount each month, regardless of market fluctuations. Over time, the second investor's portfolio will likely outperform the first, not because of luck or timing, but because of the power of time compounding their consistent efforts. This principle applies to every area of our lives. The athlete who trains consistently, day after day, will eventually surpass the naturally gifted athlete who lacks discipline. The writer who commits to writing a page a day will eventually produce a novel, while the aspiring author who waits for inspiration may never finish a chapter. The key is to view time as our ally, not our enemy. Instead of rushing toward quick fixes or seeking instant gratification, we must embrace the long game, understanding that the most meaningful results often require patience, perseverance, and the unwavering belief in the power of time to multiply our efforts. The true magic of the compound effect lies in its ability to generate exponential growth. Unlike linear growth, exponential growth accelerates over time, leading to dramatic results. It's the principle behind compound interest, creating a snowball effect of growth. Imagine a single grain of rice doubling every day. After a few weeks, we would have millions of grains of rice. In our lives, we can harness this by focusing on consistent incremental improvement. Small, consistent efforts can lead to profound transformations. Success is a journey of continuous growth and improvement. Building discipline and consistency doesn't require a complete life overhaul. In fact, attempting to make drastic changes overnight often leads to overwhelm and burnout. The key is to start small, focusing on building atomic habits, tiny changes that seem insignificant on their own, but when compounded over time can lead to remarkable results. Think of it like building a muscle. We wouldn't expect to bench press our body weight on the first day at the gym. Instead, we start with lighter weights, gradually increasing the resistance as our muscles adapt and grow stronger. Similarly, when building discipline and consistency, we should start with small, manageable actions that we can easily incorporate into our daily routines. Instead of trying to meditate for an hour each morning, begin with 5 minutes. Instead of aiming to write a chapter a day, commit to writing a paragraph. Instead of overhauling your entire diet, focus on incorporating one healthy meal into your day. These small wins, though seemingly insignificant, create a sense of accomplishment, boost our confidence, and make it easier to stick with our goals over the long term. The beauty of atomic habits is that they are deceptively powerful. As we consistently repeat these small actions, they become ingrained in our neural circuitry, transforming from conscious effort into automatic behavior. Over time, these small changes compound, creating a ripple effect that touches every aspect of our lives. Setting clear goals, providing direction for your journey. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. You might wander aimlessly, making little progress and feeling lost. Setting clear, specific goals provides a roadmap for our journey. When we know what we're working towards, it's easier to stay motivated. Our goals act as a compass, keeping us on track. Make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break goals into smaller steps to make them actionable and increase success. Designing your environment, creating a space for success. Our environment shapes our behavior. Like plants in fertile soil, we thrive in supportive spaces. Design your environment to support your goals. Identify cues that trigger unhealthy habits. Limit access to distractions like social media. Stock your space with healthy choices. Remove temptations to align with your goals. Create a productive, distraction-free workspace. Invest in ergonomic furniture and nature elements. A supportive environment inspires and energizes us. Surround yourself with uplifting, supportive people. Social circles influence our behavior and growth. Cultivate a supportive environment for success. Embracing accountability, the power of external support. While discipline and consistency are ultimately personal pursuits, we don't have to go it alone. In fact, embracing accountability can provide invaluable support, helping us stay motivated, overcome obstacles, and achieve lasting change. When we share our goals with others and invite them to hold us accountable, we create a powerful sense of obligation and responsibility, making it more likely that we'll follow through on our commitments. One effective way to embrace accountability is to find an accountability partner, someone who shares similar goals or aspirations and is willing to provide support and encouragement along the way. This could be a friend, family member, colleague, or mentor. The key is to find someone who is non-judgmental, supportive, and committed to helping you succeed. Regular check-ins with your accountability partner can help you stay on track, identify potential roadblocks, and celebrate your progress. Sharing your struggles and triumphs with someone who understands your journey can provide a much-needed boost of motivation and prevent you from giving up when faced with challenges. In addition to an accountability partner, consider joining a group or community that aligns with your goals. This could be a fitness class, a writing group, or an online forum. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals provides a sense of camaraderie, shared experience, and collective motivation, making it easier to stay committed to your goals and celebrate your successes together. the evolution of self-mastery. The journey toward mastery is an ongoing evolution, a lifelong pursuit of self-discovery and growth. It's a path paved with challenges, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt, but also with triumphs and breakthroughs. As we cultivate these qualities, we embark on a transformative journey that shapes our character and legacy. Discipline and consistency evolve alongside us as we navigate life's complexities. What once required immense effort becomes more effortless as we align with our aspirations. The more we practice, the more discipline and consistency become integral parts of our identity. Along this journey, we learn to embrace the beauty of imperfection. Living a life of purpose and fulfillment. Discipline and consistency cultivate a life of purpose and fulfillment. They help us live in alignment with our values and create a lasting impact. Discipline breaks free from instant gratification for something more meaningful. It allows us to invest in our future selves. Consistency transforms inspiration into purpose-driven action. It's the steady hand that guides us through uncertainty. Our legacy is measured by the impact we have on others. We inspire those around us to strive for greatness. We become beacons of possibility, demonstrating dedication and perseverance. Embrace the journey, for it reveals our truest selves and creates a lasting legacy.